Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Now we are going to start new topic, that is information storage devices. There are many information storage devices such as audio video cassettes, compact discs, floppy disks, hard disks, etc. First we discuss about compact disc. Compact disc is a optical disc data storage format that was developed by Philips and Sony and released by 1982. The format was originally developed to store and play only sound recordings but was later adapted for storage of data. You see in figure, this is an aluminium or plastic disc with shining surface. It is made for digital recording. What are bits? In this recording, millions of tiny bits are engraved on the disc. Its pattern corresponds to audio and video signals. What are flats? The shining spaces between the bits are called flats. What is the process of CD reading? For the replay, a laser beam scans the disc. This is known as reading of CD. The flats reflect beam which is equivalent to 1 in digital language. The bits do not reflect beam which is 0. All ones and zeros form digital signal. You see in figure, flats reflect beam which is equal to 1 and bits do not reflect beam which is equal to 0. A circuit in the CD player converts digital recording to analog electric signal. This signal is amplified and sent to the speaker or picture tube. The most prevalent types of compact discs are those used by the music industry to store recording and CD-ROMs used to store computer data. What is the advantage of compact disc? The quality of sound produced by digital recording of CD is much better as compared to that of cassette tape. Moreover, a head or needle does not touch the CD, as in case of cassette tape, but instead only the laser beam touches it. That's why no scratches are formed on the CD and it works for a long time with the same performance. Compact discs replaced floppy disks because they were faster and could hold more information. Now we discuss about floppy disks. The floppy disk is a removable magnetic storage medium. Floppy disks are used for moving information between computers, laptops, or other devices. A floppy disk is a lot like a cassette tape. Both use a thin plastic based material coated with iron oxide. This oxide is ferromagnetic material, meaning that if you expose it to a magnetic field, it is magnetized by the field. Both can record information instantly. So, floppy disk is a soft plastic disk over which a layer of magnetic material such as ferric oxide is coated. Information are stored on it in the form of magnetic pattern. It is kept in a plastic case. How does floppy disk work? When floppy disk inserted into the drive, the metal slide door is opened and exposes the magnetic disk in floppy disk. The read or write head uses a magnetic polarity of 0 and 1. When it is inserted in the computer, the floppy driver rotates it fast. A head reads or writes data on the disk. Now we discuss about hard disk. A hard disk is an electromechanical data storage device. When you save data or install programs on your computer, the information typically written to your hard disk. The hard disk is a spindle of magnetic disks called platers that record and store information. A hard disk consists of two or more plates made of hard metallic material. Plates are mounted on a spindle that rotates fast. Plates are kept in a case. Each plate is coated with magnetic material on which data is recorded in magnetic pattern. How does hard disk work? To read recorded data or to write, each plate is provided with a specific head. Much more information can be stored on the hard disk as compared to floppy disk. Due to high storage capacity, hard disk is also known as storage disk. A hard disk is a permanent part of a computer and is installed inside the computer. And you see in figure, when your computer stores data on its hard disk, the data is stored in a very orderly pattern on each platter. Okay student, I hope you understand about compact disk, floppy disk and hard disk. Okay students, take care.